Hi, channel members. I hope you all are well, staying safe, and doing good in life. Thank you so much for being subscribed and being a member, a paid member of the channel. As you know, this month's theme is manifestation. So I wanted to make this video um, to discuss four really good tools which can help your manifestations become quicker. So just one broad thing about manifestation that I have to say is that everything you want always manifests. It can manifest in different forms, so you might not see it in the exact same form that you imagined it would be, but the universe is this reality is created in such a way that whatever you really want, whatever you're feeling all the time, whatever you're thinking all the time, whatever you're talking about all the time, manifests itself, in your reality. So it's important to be aware of what you think, what you feel, what you speak, what you read, what you watch, what you listen to, the energy, the feelings that you're feeling all the time. You have to be aware of all these things when you're manifesting. So, yeah, that's just a broad introduction for manifestation. So, if you want good things in life, which most of us we want to manifest good things in life, I don't think any of us actually want to manifest bad things. Um, so, what you have to be aware of is to be in a positive mindset regarding the thing you want to manifest, and also in general. So, in general, in life, it's important to have a positive mindset if you want to manifest things faster. If you don't want to manifest things faster, you can have a mindset which is like easygoing, accepting everything, but then you also have to be okay with your manifestation happening at its own pace. And at the same time, if you are very negative, then you will see that the manifestations you have in life take time to come to you if you stay in a negative headspace, because you yourself are blocking your manifestations. So yeah, that being said, let me quickly discuss the four tools that I myself use and I recommend for manifesting. So the first one is writing affirmations. So if you want to manifest a good job, say for example, so you can actually write in a notebook or in your phone or in your laptop or wherever you want to write it. Every day write it that I am manifesting a good job where I feel fulfilled, where I feel happy, where I like my team, etc. Whatever, where I'm financially secure, satisfied, etc. So, whatever you want to feel in this new situation is also what you should write along with along with the thing that you want to manifest, like a new job. If you want to manifest a new partner in your life, you can write, I am manifesting a partner who is, like a spiritual counterpart, who loves me, makes me feel secure, etc., etc. Whatever you want to write. So that is very personal to you, because you really have to analyze what you want, why you want this partner, why you want this job. Most of the time, it is because the thing that we want to acquire is going to make us feel a certain way, and that's why we actually want to manifest that thing. So that's the first one. Then the second one is, if you have more time, you can actually write a story with maybe like a fictional character, or with you as the central character, and you can write a story of how you would want your story to be. So you can call this journaling, or just like fiction writing, or you're kind of creating a future that you want to live in. So that's the second one, but it takes more time. So write the story in detail. Like, how would you want to feel? How would you want things to go? How would it, how would your manifestation actually happening make you feel? And what will happen is, as you write these things, you will actually feel those things. And once you write it, you can also read it whenever you have time or whenever you want to, maybe once a day. Then the third thing is, watch movies, or like whatever entertainment you're doing, make it directed towards your manifestation. So say you want to manifest like a teacher's job or something like that. So watch movies which are related to teachers. Watch movies where the central character is a teacher and they are like inspiring their students, something like that. So you have to watch movies or any entertainment that gives you that energy that you want to be in. So that's the third one. And then the fourth one is, listen to music that makes you feel um, maybe inspired or happy. And what happens is, art often it has the magic, like good art or good content, it has the magic to kind of put you in that vibe or put you in that feeling. And being in that vibe and being in that feeling is very useful for manifestation, because it kind of puts you in that vibration that you will feel after your manifestation has occurred. So it's like a trailer to how you will feel after your manifestation has occurred. And when you are in that vibration, it attracts very quickly things that will put you in that vibration. So when you're feeling very happy, satisfied, like you have a purpose in life, by listening to a song or watching a movie, things that will make you feel that way will come into your life. So so yeah, those were the four tools I have for manifestation. And once again, thank you for being members of this channel. I really appreciate that a lot, and I hope this helps you in some way, and I wish you all a lot of love and a lot of light. Thank you. Bye.